Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a specific photo edit on iPhone, right? So if you're using an iPhone, you can actually copy a specific photo edit and deploy it on other photos, right? So let's just go to my photos. So when I open my photos, I'll be making use of this for the video. So when I click here now, I'll come to this edit. Okay, so let me choose filter, or let me take contrast first. Okay, I hope you can see the contrast. Let me go on filter. Okay, I will now choose this filter. I'll click on done, right? This is just a rough work of what I'm trying to show you. So I'll click here and I'll click on copy edit. Now I can decide to turn this adaptive off. If I wish, I will click on copy. Now I'll now have to go back again to my gallery. So look at this picture now. I'll click on this photo. Then I'll come back to this place and I'll click on paste edit. I'll click on paste edit, and can you see what just happened? So it literally means that after I edited my first picture, I copied all the work that I have done there and deployed it to another photo. So you can actually do this depending on the photos you are editing. Once you are done editing one and you want to deploy it to other of your photos, you can actually do this without wasting time. So I can still go ahead now to return it to original, revert to original, and as you can see, you can still go back here and revert it to original, right? So I hope you can see that. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.